Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to cut out parts of a video on TikTok. Here are the steps to cut out parts of a video on TikTok using your mobile phone. First, unlock your mobile phone using your PIN, fingerprint, or pattern. Open the TikTok app. Launch it from your home screen or app drawer. Tap the plus button at the bottom center to start creating a new video. Record a video or tap the recently created picture or video in the bottom right to import one from your gallery. Now go to video section, choose the videos you want to edit from. Tap next after selecting. On the editing screen, tap edit. You'll find this option on the right panel. Tap on the video clip you want to trim. Drag the start and end sliders to cut the desired part. Adjust to select the section you want to keep. Repeat with other clips if you uploaded multiple videos. Tap the arrow to the right and the top right. Tap next to proceed and post or save the edited video. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.